Today, in this video, we'll discuss combination reactions and decomposition reaction with example. Today, we'll discuss on the basis of nature of reaction, chemical reactions are of 6 types. Combination reactions, decomposition reaction, displacement reactions, double displacement reaction, neutralization reactions and redox reaction. So first of all, we'll discuss about combination reaction. So what is combination reaction? First of all, you see those chemical reactions in which two or more substances combine together to form a single substance are called combination reaction. So this you can see, we can take one example. Suppose A is a reactant, B is another reactant, and combining together they are forming a single product, that is C. So in this way, this is the example of combination reaction. The combination reaction can occur under suitable condition, and the combination reactions may occur in between two or more reactants, between elements and compounds, and between two or more compounds. Some example we'll see here of combination reactions, and these examples you can see the examples of combination reactions are combination reaction. See here, when carbon react with oxygen, they form a single compound, that is carbon dioxide. So this is here magnesium when react with oxygen to form a single compound, magnesium oxide. Iron when react with sulfur on heating, it forms ferrous sulfide or iron sulfide. Hydrogen gas when react with chlorine gas, it forms hydrogen chloride, that is also in the gaseous form. So this is here single substances are forming. That's why these are all the examples of combination reaction. And further you can see hydrogen oxygen forms water, sodium chlorine sodium chloride forms ammonia when react with hydrochloric acid, it forms ammonium chloride. Nitrogen react with oxygen to form nitrogen monoxide or nitric oxide. And then further this one again when it react with oxygen, it forms nitrogen dioxide. Its color is reddish brown, and this takes place at high temperature, and this is naturally takes place when lightning occurs. All these are the examples of combination reactions. Now we'll discuss decomposition reactions. So decomposition reaction is the opposite of the combination reaction. In combination, a single substance is formed as a result of chemical combination, while in decomposition it breaks into new substances. So decomposition reaction can be defined as the reactions in which a single substance splits into two or more simple substances under suitable condition. For example, if a compound is AB and after heating it splits into two different components like A and B, so this is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions also can be categorized into 3 types. These are thermal decomposition reactions, electrolytic decomposition reactions or electrolysis, photodecomposition reactions or photolysis. So now we will take few examples of thermal decomposition reactions. Now we can see here it is ferrous sulfate. It is a hydrated ferrous sulfate salt, and on heating it converts into ferrous sulfate. and it is anhydrous salt. So here when we are heating the ferrous sulfate salt, hydrated ferrous sulfate, its whose color is green, on heating it convert into dirty white color. And when further this one is heated, this dirty white colored ferrous sulfate salt is heated, it convert into ferric oxide, which is brown in color, and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So see here, it is also important to learn these colors. Now we'll take another example, and this is lead nitrate, whose color is it is colorless, and when lead nitrate is heated, after heating it converts into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen, and it converts into yellow color, which was colorless. After reaction it has converted into yellow color. Next is potassium permanganate, whose color is purple. On heating it decomposes into potassium manganate plus manganese dioxide and oxygen. Potassium permanganate, whose color is purple, it convert into black color also. Black color of manganese dioxide is forming. And further also we can see a copper sulfate, hydrated copper sulfate, when it is heated, it convert into it starts converting into copper sulfate. So here its color also starts converting from blue to bluish white, and then finally white color, and it becomes anhydrous salt. So this one, when further heated, it converts or decomposes into cupric oxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide and oxygen. The next one, a very common example, calcium carbonate, when it is heated, it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And lastly, potassium chlorate, when it is heated, it forms potassium chloride and oxygen. So all these are the examples of decomposition reaction. These are the examples. Now we will discuss the examples of electrolytic decomposition reaction, which is also known as electrolysis. So first of all we will discuss the electrolysis of water. This one we can explain with an experiment, and for that experiment to carry, we can take a plastic mug and drill 2 holes at the base of the plastic mug and insert 2 carbon electrodes, and this insert the 2 electrodes into these holes and connect these electrodes. These electrodes should be connected to a 6-volt battery. This is a 6-volt battery, and the plastic mug act as a voltmeter, and fill the mug with water nearly half, and add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid, so that it will become a good conductor. We know that pure water is bad conductor of electricity. To make it good conductor, we will put few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Now invert 2 test tubes containing water on the both electrodes as shown in this figure, and pass electric current slowly through the voltmeter, and bubbles of gases appear above the electrode in both the tubes. As a result, water level will be pressed downward, and the gases are hydrogen and oxygen, and are formed by the decomposition of water on passing electric current. This can be represented in this equation. The volume of hydrogen collected is double than that of oxygen. This is quite expected as well according to the chemical equation. Actually, hydrogen and oxygen are colorless and have been shown by the empty space in the test tube. And these gases can be tested by burning. That is, this one, if you will bring a burning matchstick in this gas, it will burn vigorously, and when we will bring a matchstick to this gas, it will burn with a popping sound. And there are other examples of electrolysis also, and these are electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride solution. That means when we will mix sodium chloride with water, this also can be done. Its electrolysis also is possible. Another example is electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. And now we will discuss the example of photo decomposition reaction, that is also known as photolysis. So for that one, first of all, we will discuss that let us illustrate a decomposition reaction carried in the presence of sunlight, and take a small amount of crystals of silver chloride which are white in color, and white in color on a glass. We'll collect this white silver chloride in a watch glass and place the watch glass under sunlight for some time, and the crystals slowly acquire grey color. On analysis, it is found that sunlight has caused decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine. And this equation you can see here, its color is white and it converted into grey. Actually, sunlight consists of photons, which are the source of energy. They cause the decomposition of silver chloride, and similarly silver bromide also. Silver bromide, which is of light yellow color, also undergoes decomposition in the presence of sunlight. And its equation you can see, that is this one is the equation. And because these reactions takes place under sunlight, that's why it is also known as photochemical reaction. And third equation you can see here, the hydrogen peroxide under the sunlight also get converted into water and oxygen.